Hi there, I'm Miss Flowers from Miss Flowers Patio Garden, and it's time for a taste of gardening lore. So, have you ever heard of whooping okra? Whooping, or for most speakers of English, whipping, which is synonymous with beating or striking. Anyway, whooping okra is a technique where okra plants are physically struck with a tool, usually a switch or a small branch, to mimic the effect of wind or other stressors. What's the thinking behind this? Well, the belief is that whooping stresses the plant, which causes it to redirect its energy toward flowering and fruit development. Now, if you don't like this idea, you might try pruning the okra plant by removing lower levels of foliage. It's said to encourage production and improve circulation, which they say is a defense against certain fungi. And so, there you have it. For more like this, check out Miss Flowers Patio Garden and Lore on YouTube or here as Miss Flowers Patio Garden on Substack. See you next time.